2, 1, go. Wow, there's a lot of speed happening. Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's, that's just in its usual setting. I'm in Bugatti mode and automatic mode for the gearbox. So just like I'm cruising along, and then there's someone in a Tesla Model S Plaid, and we think, oh no, we're going to have a race. And I go 3, 2, 1, go. Blimey, this took ages to kick down.
God, I killed him.
Now we're on. That's ahead of me.
He's gonna come quick. Oh my God, look how quick he's coming.
Can I catch it to the quarter mile? No, he's going to have it in the quarter, but now I'll come past. Watch me gap him now.
Oh wow.
This is going to be insane. Well, that was interesting, Yanni.
Obviously, instant power is always gonna have you. I was doing 180 mile an hour and you come past me like I wasn't even moving. Wow.
I literally have no idea how quick I was going. That's one thing about this car, it's so deceptive. It's so very quick and does it so effortlessly, keeps on piling the speed on. You have no real sense of how quick you're going. So to everybody watching, this is how quick I was going, and I'll be watching the video with you right now to find out for myself. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this is nicely on boost. That M5's doing better now. Oh, come on! There we go. Oh my God! Look at the speed I just climbed. So I did over 200 mile an hour there. The worst thing is, it was so easy. You know, normally to get 200 mile an hour on here, you're like, come on, let's keep pushing. But this is just loads of room to spare.